The fundamental flaw inherent in cryptocurrencies is that supply can't be reduced when demand is slumping. That means they can't be considered currencies. A proper currency can be a stable store of value, providing certainty that it will be able to buy the same basket of goods tomorrow as it buys today. That confidence is derived from central banks' ability to reduce supply when demand is falling. There is no such mechanism for switching off supply on most cryptocurrencies, and therefore their value can slide, leading to a collapse in spending power.
Datamine, a dual token cryptocurrency that automatically adjusts for supply and demand in real time. By locking DAM, you create FLUX, a deflationary token that is unlike any other DeFi. FLUX was the world's first deflationary cryptocurrency to reach negative inflation. Inflation is predictable because FLUX is generated in a linear manner every 15 seconds. You can choose to burn your own FLUX, increasing your mint rate while reducing inflation. FLUX replaces the central bank's responsibility of managing inflation by letting people control it. Meet the world's first proper currency, Datamine.network.